You guys are in for a treat because today we're going to my favorite Disney resort, Disney's Yacht Club. Enter through the front doors, a little seating area, and these planters that I love. The lobby is gorgeous, nautical blues and whites. To your immediate left is the Ale & Compass Lounge. They have incredible drinks and really beautiful blue woodwork. And then next to that is the Ale & Compass restaurant. To the right is your check-in area. And if you follow down the hallway, you'll get to the Ale & Compass Market and the elevators. Seating area with cartoons for the littles. And if you go up this little staircase, there's a really great photo op. Because there is a cute boat steering wheel. Ahoy! Love all of the beautiful furniture. These chairs, how amazing are these? I love the wainscoting. I love everything about this resort.
It's a learning curve today.
And if you walk down past the Ale & Compass restaurant, to the left you'll see the actual seating for Ale & Compass. And you just walk in this hallway and you wind all the way around the restaurant, which is really cool. Down this corridor you'll find the Cruise Cup Lounge and the Yachtsman, some public restrooms. Right now Cruise Cup is serving food from Yachtsman. But when it's their own menu, they have incredible prime rib sliders, and I'm hoping they go back to that. But it's very cute and cozy. And the Yachtsman Steakhouse is a signature dining restaurant. It's a wonderful steakhouse. More beautiful furniture. Look at this hutch. And then out all of the rear doors, you will find Stormalong Bay. It opens at 10 o'clock. It is a 3-acre pool with a 230-foot shipwreck slide, a lazy river, 0 entry, sand bottom, shared with Beach Club, but it is by far, without a doubt, the best pool on property and one of the #1 perks of staying at the Yacht Club Resort. Thank you. So we are in our room. Immediately to the right you have your coffee station, cups, ice bucket, our fridge for adult beverages, and next to the right you have your closet space, shelves, a couple robes, more kind of storage space, pull out ironing board, iron, your safe, more shelves. To the left you have your bathroom and the switch is all the way over here. Nice big mirror, sinks with nice sleek faucets, your H2O toiletries, hair dryer, a drawer that doesn't actually open, towels. The shower's in its own separate room. The toilet, more toiletries and a built-in shelf. Very nice looking shower head system they have here. Continue on into the room. Nice little welcome card. Mickey towels, 2 queen-size beds, a dresser with tons more drawers, the slow close, TV, USB ports, regular outlets. Don't you stick your finger in there, Beth. More outlets and USB ports. A pull-out sofa bed. Makes into a little twin-size bed, it looks like. Some cute nautical artwork. The curtains have Mickey constellations. Oh, it's flounder. Oh my gosh, how cute. This is adorable. Another kind of porthole looking mirror and a desk with, there are tons of outlets and USB cables in here. If you can't get your stuff charged in this room, then there's no hope for you. And then, oh, they don't want me out here, huh? Oh, never seen that before. And out here you have our balcony. I think this is going to be Sarah's balcony. A nice view. Boardwalk across the way. Nice place to have mimosas in the morning. Oh, this desk has a roll-away table. That's pretty cool. Just like all the new beds, they're raised, so there's extra storage space underneath if you need that. A good place to slide your suitcases. All right, let's go back downstairs. I love the carpets in this hotel. Look how cute these are. Such a cute touch. You walk past the check-in area, and straight will be the Ale and Compass Market, and to the left, more restrooms and the elevators. The market at Ale and Compass is their quick service. their shop. Lots of nautical themed things. Lily Pulitzer. That is really cute. Tommy Bahama. You know I love Lily. This is where you are going to find your grab and go items. Lots of stuff here, hard-boiled eggs, salads, sandwiches. That looks delicious, pumpkin cheesecake. Holiday bonbons. Sodas and beer and wine. Cold pastries, muffins, cereal, fruit. Coffee, tea, Coke's freestyle machine. You can also order a hot breakfast. They have a turkey sandwich that I highly recommend.
I'll do a ham cheddar breakfast one with.
I am obsessed with this sideboard. It used to be where they had the spa water. It's just so pretty. Since Yacht Club and Beach Club are kind of sister resorts, they list the offerings at both. As well as a map of the resort and all of the amenities. Alright, enough of that. Let's head out to the pool and the pool bar, Hurricane Hannah's. If running is your thing, it's an exclusive pool and they will actually ask for your magic band and give you a band to wear on your wrist for the day to make sure that you are a resort guest and indeed have access to the pool.
How's the pool, Matt?
hope you enjoyed your stay here at Yacht Club with us. Let us know, have you stayed at the Yacht Club Resort? What Disney resort is your favorite? Thank you for joining us today. As always, it has been a most gratifying day. Bye.